Some students who have experienced trauma may lack a trust in the adults that are providing them services and education daily in schools. Relationship building can be difficult as students are unsure if the adults working with them and supporting them can truly be trusted to provide a safe setting. The one sentence intervention is quick and easy and works well with students who are difficult to build relationships with during the school day. As noted, you will see number one, smiling and looking at the student if possible. In some cases, we may need to reserve smiling and looking at the student and instead speaking in a quiet and calm tone more directed at the student so that they can hear us. We simply have to notice the student and add a personal attribute so that the student knows that we see them, we hear them, we know that they are with us. Examples: I've noticed you like to collect things, or I've noticed that kids really listen to you when you talk, or even note some of the behaviors that others could consider not to be appropriate, but more so, you're going to reframe it as a strength area for the student, such as, I've noticed you really stand up for yourself. When you begin by noticing students with simple sentences and not making it more elaborate than that, they begin to realize that you are paying attention to them and that you don't necessarily expect anything from them, and instead, you are simply trying to be in the same space with them and ensure that they realize that you can speak to them in a direct manner that's also kind and compassionate and individualized based on the student's interest and also talents and skills. Give it a try.